Welcome to floor plan design. Today we will see this wonderful floor plan. This for two brothers. This is very wonderful plan. We will see one by one. In ground floor there is no bedroom, only kitchen, living, dining, and service room, laundry room, store, toilet, and wash area. First floor number of 4 bedroom and one attached and two attached bedroom and two attached bedroom with bathroom and one common. So we will see this two plan is completely same for two brothers. So you can see here this wonderful plan. So we will see again this is our entrance. So this we are getting here dining, wonderful very wide dining, and we are entering here. This is our stair, and this side our wash area and toilet, and here is our kitchen 360 by 5 by 460, and this is our corridor. Back side also entrance we have provided. This is our service room. Service room means servant room or maid room, and this is our iron area, laundry area. So this is ground floor plan. Same we are reaching this here. This is our corridor, number of 4 bedroom, one here 395 by 460 and 410 by 460 here. This 2 bedroom have common bathroom 275 by 165, and this is our master bedroom 440 by 395, and this is our bathroom 275 by 165. This again 410 by 4 meter. This is our attached bathroom 250 by 160. This is our duct covering with both plot and ventilation purpose. So this both are same, everything same. This will be same everything. This plot completely this plot. So for two brothers you can keep opening here also for exchanging purpose, for interchanging. So this is our ground plus 1, number of 4 bedroom, first floor, living, dining, kitchen, ground floor. We will see our this wonderful window. This is our window. This side circular column, design purpose. This side window, and here continuous curtain window for exhaust and design. This servant room window. This is area covering mainly laundry and iron area. So this kitchen window. So this is our access. Another thing same, everything same here. As I said in previous, everything same. Then again we are reaching first floor. So this first floor, this side window, and this bedroom window. This bedroom side we have given 2 side window, whether you can revise as per your requirement. So this is bathroom window and for ventilation purpose. Here again we have 2 side window. This side, this bedroom window. So you can see column everything arranged as per very much proper way. So like this plan you can arrange for your boundary area, like you can give 200 300 centimeter wide boundary all side. Front side you can leave wide lawn. So this wonderful floor plan. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.